Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
My name is Saturya,
I'm Renika Devi.
and my other team member is Ramya Lakshmi. Our project guide is Dr. K. Ellen Prabha, Professor in of EC Department. Our project name is AR-based trial clothing.
The aim of our project is to create an application in which we will be trying the clothes virtually using the latest technology called augmented reality. Augmented reality is the real-time use of information in the form of images and graphics which is integrated with the real-world objects. Let us show the output demo of our project.
After opening the app, the login page will appear. Here we have to type the username and password. We have set a default username and password. After giving the credentials, the dashboard will appear. Here we have 4 models of clothes and 2 types of jewelries. Here the detail of the particular model will appear beside the clothes. After choosing our desired model, we can try out by clicking the trial now option. If we want to buy the dress, we can give the buy now option and a pop-up message will appear that your order will be placed.
After we give the trial now option, the camera will open. A face tracker button will appear at the bottom of the screen. We can try both in horizontal and vertical position, but if we try in vertical position, we will not get wide angle of the background, so the model will occupy the whole space of the screen. So we have to keep our phone in horizontal position so that the model can be perfectly fitted to the person. We have to click the face tracker button. The dress model will appear. Now we have to click on the settings option at the right, in which we have to choose the device tracker option, and now the device will start tracking our face. Now I'm giving the try now option. After this, the camera is turning on. Now I'm turning the phone to horizontal position. After this, we are giving the face tracker button at the bottom. Now the images appear. Now we can give the device tracker option to track the image. Now we can try out the image for the user.
In this project, we have used Unity, which is a game development engine. It is supported only in Android. Also, it needs a minimal requirement like 30 FPS, which is frames per second, camera quality.
The existing apps use OpenCV or Python. In this app, we implement augmented reality using Unity. Unity is basically used for game development, but here we have tried creating an e-commerce app using Unity. So this is the code for our project.
Now we will show the code for our app.
Dynamic prefab is the primary code of this project. It contains the code for the login page. It also contains various functions in which we will call these functions like dynamic library, tracker image info manager, prefab image pair manager. Now I'll show the code. So this is the code for the dynamic prefab. So it is only responsible for the login page, and also it shows the error message if unknown user is trying to log into the page. And the another code for this project is tracker image info manager. Now I'll show the code for that. So it is responsible for the camera to be turned on and also the image to be perfectly fitted to the user. So the entire code is responsible for that process.
Now I will show the code for prefab image pair manager. This code is responsible for the image to be properly rendered to the person. Also, now I will show the code for dynamic library. This code is responsible for storing primary key data. It also stores image tracking requirements and text requirements. Text requirements example is your order has been placed.
So that's all about our project.
Finally, I conclude by saying that some big companies like Snapchat, Instagram is still trying this app on a trial basis. But we have taken this project, but we didn't get 100% output. But we have tried our best.
Hi, this is Ramya Lakshmi. As we have already tried fitting the dress to the user in 3D model, we didn't get the full output since 3D has some limitations. So we have also tried in 2D. Now the model can be perfectly fitted to the user.